following video is a CNC Haas VF2 vertical machining center. Machine is new 2016. Jake is going to run a brief video of just demonstrating the spindle. This machine has double interlock doors on the front, so we can't open the door while demoing it, but we can show it through the side door, so we can get a nice close-up of the spindle.
Okay, so the spindle's not on right now. You can see no active speed here. I'm gonna first start it up at 1500 RPM. So spindle's now on and operating at 1500 RPM. You can go on the side there. Get right up and close to it. Alright, now I'm going to set the spindle up to 5000 RPM and then we'll go to the max of 8500. Spindle is now on at 5000 RPM. Now I'll step it up to the max spindle speed of 8500. Spindle is now operating at 8500 RPM. You want to come around and show the control?
Yeah,
That's at 8000.
Okay. 8,000 RPM. Super quiet and smooth. Okay.
All set? There you go.
Again, the following video is a Haas VF2 2016. There's a brief video of demonstrating the spindle closer up.
Now I'm going to move the y-axis. I'll do the z-axis. Alright, now I'll display the spindles, but this is a newer machine, so I have to close the doors to be able to do that. I'm going to start the spindle off at 500 RPM. Spindle is on and operating at 500 RPM. Oh, it's right there. Yep. 500 RPM. Now I'm going to step it up to 2500. Spindle is operating at 2500. And I'll kick it up to 8500 or 75.
Top speed's 8100.
Okay. Spindle is operating at the max RPM of 8100. I'll do a few tool changes. I could go to tool 5. And then I'll go back to tool 1. machine is also equipped with a probe and touch setter, both functioning fine.
Again, the following video is a Haas CNC vertical machining center. It's model VF2 2016.